Good morning. This is Jamie Miller from J. Miller Law Firm. Today's video topic is going to be about buying a business, and specifically about buying a franchise. So when you're buying any existing business, it is really critical to do your research and understand what you're buying. Commonly referred to as due diligence, it's making sure you have all of the books and records, the taxes, understand the marketing, understand the structure, and really have a clear handle on what you're buying and how you're going to purchase that. So franchise, you would have similar requirements, but you also have what's known as the franchise disclosure document. That's typically a very lengthy document that the franchisor, the person offering the franchise, is required to give to you before you sign any contracts to buy the franchise. So this document is going to cover things like the background of the people who are in charge, the corporate franchisors, what is their history, what's their experience. It's going to include what's included with the franchise. So typically marketing, advertising, training. Is going to include any litigation or any bankruptcies that the franchisor has had. It will include references for other franchisees. Really important to contact as many of those as possible and hear from them the pros and cons, as well as understanding any litigation or bankruptcy issues that there may have been in the past. Also fees. This is a big one. It is not just the franchise fee that you may see at the beginning. There's a whole nother section about other fees, such as for marketing, advertising, training, other resources and support that they offer, but those typically all come with a cost. So it's not just the upfront franchise fee that you're looking at. There's most of the time ongoing responsibilities that you have for payment for different resources and support that they offer. So really important to read that document in its entirety and understand it. It may be a good idea to hire professionals to help with that. Lawyers, sometimes a CPA. It's not something that you can very often negotiate, but occasionally. But mostly just so that you understand what you are purchasing and what the ramifications are if it doesn't work out. It is typically very difficult and very expensive to get out of a franchise. It's definitely not something you can just close the doors and walk away from. So that's the downside. The downside is there are a lot of requirements, there are some fees, there are things that you need to be sure you understand how they work. Upside can often be, though, that you're buying an established name brand and resources and support that may be able to assist you, particularly if you've not run a business before. So I'm not trying to discourage you from buying a franchise, but please just do it carefully, do it thoughtfully, and seek professional help when needed. If it is something I can help you with, I would love to chat with you about that. 918-938-1322. Have a great day.